My name is Marcus Harris. I'm a Chicago-based software and intellectual property attorney. Since 1999, I've focused my practice on drafting and negotiating ERP-related contracts and litigating failed ERP implementations in courts across the country. Prior to forming my own practice, I worked in the legal departments of SAP and Infor. I understand how software vendors operate, and I understand what it takes to sue software vendors for failed implementations. When you are negotiating ERP-related contracts, you need to ensure that you've got an overall negotiation strategy for negotiating those contracts. And one of the first things you need to understand is the key provisions in that contract. And key provisions in a software contract typically include the software license grant, the software vendor's warranties and representations, disclaimers, as well as ownership and intellectual property issues. And having an understanding of the negotiation points common to those key provisions is critical, but what is also critical is having the right approach to the negotiation process. And I think if you are entering into a software negotiation with the intent of drafting and negotiating a contract that is ironclad and shifts all of the risk of that business transaction to the ERP vendor, you're really going about it the wrong way. I think it makes more sense to negotiate a contract that reasonably addresses your issues and concerns while at the same time reasonably addresses the ERP vendor's issues and concerns, but ensures that the software vendor has some skin in the game. One of the other negotiation strategies that you need to focus on is negotiating an ERP contract that maximizes your ability to use the software to address your business needs as they change over time. And I think if you negotiate a contract that maximizes your flexibility in the way that you can use that software, you minimize the likelihood of an inadvertent breach and you minimize the likelihood of a non-compliance issue with that ERP vendor. Now, should you have any questions about any of the issues in this video or any of our other videos, please feel free to give our office a call at 312-263-0570. Thank you.